Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today we've got a new pair of earphones to review on my desk. They're Xiaomi's new dual driver earphones. They're high-res wired earphones and also come with a mic. Xiaomi has newly launched these earphones. It says Mi dual driver and comes in this sort of packing. You've got the Mi logo here and this is how the backside looks like. Let's check out the specs of these earphones. You've got the model number of the earphones here. The impedance is 32 ohms. The cable length is 1.25 meters, has a rated power of 5 milliwatts. The frequency response range is from 20 Hz to 40 kHz and they weigh only about 14 grams. So these were the specs of these new dual driver earphones from Xiaomi. Let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank GearBest for sending me this product for review purpose. Alright, let's take the box out of the cover and check them out. So this is how the earphones look like. They look very similar to the Apple AirPods in terms of design. Let's unbox it and take the earphones out. These earphones have a semi-in-ear design. That means they don't have ear tips and do not go fully in your ears. So I have to use them for some time and tell you about the comfort. This is how the earphones look like. They come in both white and black colors. I have the white color ones. Let me take them out of this box. There you go. So these are the Mi's new dual driver earphones. We'll check them out in a moment. Let's first see what else do we have in the box. You just have a user manual. It's written in both English and Chinese, so make sure to read them for all the details. Now let's check out the earphones. The Mi dual driver earphones have a design similar to the Apple AirPods. They're made of plastic and have a nice glossy finish on them. And at the back, you've got a metal ring with a CD-like texture on it. They have a semi-in-ear design and feel very light in the hand, weigh only about 14 grams. Let me show you the cable. It has a flexible TP tangle-free cable. Okay, let me unwrap them and show you. It's got a cable length of 1.25 meters and this is its inline remote control. You've got the volume up, media play pause and volume down buttons. The buttons feel tactile and clicky. On the other side you've got a MEMS microphone. And this is its angled 3.5mm gold plated jack. Now let's talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The Mi dual driver earphones are okay in terms of comfort. They're not the best I've seen. They do not fit completely in my ears and they fall off easily due to their design. The noise isolation was also average. Talking about the audio quality, they are dual driver earphones and the audio quality was definitely good for the price. The mids are crisp and clear, the treble quality was nice, but I felt the bass was average. The bass was there but it was not that punchy. The distortion was also very less even at max volume. The overall audio quality felt balanced and it was good considering the price. The quality of the mic was also nice during call conversations. So that was my review on the Xiaomi's new dual driver earphones. The build quality is good, they are high-res earphones and the audio quality is also nice, but the comfort is not that good. They don't fit properly in my ears. Apart from that, everything else was fine. They are priced for about 1000 rupees and are available on GearBest. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.